And I try to live my everyday life as positive as I can. I try to enjoy every single moment of everything that I do.
During the course of our Positively San Diego series, we have shared powerful stories of people demonstrating love for those in their community. But one woman is redefining what it means to be all heart. ABC 10 News reporter Vanessa Paz shows us how that woman is using her own trials to help others keep a beat of optimism.
For Jessica Vargas Miranda, life changed in a heartbeat.
Well, I've been living with this condition since the day that basically I was born.
By 9 months, she had her first open heart surgery, and by 30, she would survive 4 of them.
It's been sometimes scary, but I try to look and be positive as I can.
Through it all, Jessica never let her congenital heart disease diagnosis stop her from what life had to offer. She traveled the world and even spent time at our nation's capital working for the Mexican embassy.
I'm always trying to learn new things to keep myself busy.
But for a year now, COVID-19 pumped the brakes on jet setting anywhere because of the virus put people like her at a very high risk.
We're at higher risk of dying because of COVID. So we have to take extra precautions, more than anyone.
That's when Jessica's new mission took off. She became a mentor for patients battling heart conditions just like hers because she knew firsthand the feelings of isolation they struggle with, feelings that were amplified by the pandemic.
They talk about their own experiences that we as providers are not privy to. And they talk about the surgeries, what they've been through, and what things that helped and worked for them.
Dr. Lath is Jessica's provider and leads the congenital heart disease program over at UCSD Medical Center.
So it's kind of intriguing when you talk to them. They tell you that I've never met anybody with my condition.
And that's where Jessica's compassion and perspective come right in.
We kind of have created a community and where we can rely in one another, and we discuss problems that we are the only ones that know how they affect us.
In a time with so much out of their control, Jessica's there to remind patients that there's one choice never out of reach.
We always have to be positive. We need to remind ourselves that if we are positive and strong, we're gonna overcome whatever obstacles we have in life.
Vanessa Paz, ABC 10 News.
Mentorship program at UCSD was created a few years back, but doctors say it's been in full effect now more than ever because of the pandemic. And if you have a story that is positively San Diego, email us at tips@10news.com.